In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide tabs and the URL bar in Chrome without going full screen. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or wherever you normally launch your browser. Once Chrome is open, go to any website or specific document you want to view. This can be useful if you want a cleaner look on your screen while reading, presenting something, or simply reducing distractions without switching to full screen mode. After you have the page open, move your cursor to the top right corner of the Chrome window and click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to several browser settings and viewing options. When it opens, look for the Zoom section. You'll see a minus button, a plus button, and the current zoom percentage displayed in the middle. To hide the tab strip and the URL bar from view without entering full screen, click the plus button in the zoom section. As you increase the zoom, Chrome can shift the page display in a way that reduces the visible browser interface and gives you a more focused view of the content. This is especially helpful when you want more screen space dedicated to the page itself. If needed, click the plus button more than once until you get the look that works best for you. Just keep in mind that zooming in also makes the content on the page appear larger, so the exact result may depend on the size of your screen and the layout of the website or document you're viewing. When you want to unhide the tabs and URL bar, return to the same three-dot menu and adjust the zoom level back toward the default view. This will bring Chrome back to its normal appearance, making the tab strip and address bar easier to access again. A helpful tip is to use this method when you want a cleaner browser window, but still need to avoid full screen mode, especially if you plan to switch between windows or keep your system controls available. It's a simple trick, quick to apply and easy to reverse whenever you need the standard Chrome layout again. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, go to your page, use the three-dot menu, and adjust the zoom with the plus button to create a cleaner viewing experience.